Hello internet world, it is time for another keyboard review, and this time we've got the AJAZZ AK870 wireless mechanical keyboard. This was very kindly sent in to me free of charge by What Geek, and I'm really looking forward to doing this review. Now, no money change hands, they haven't asked me to say anything in particular. I'm just doing this video so that you can make an informed buying decision. You'll get a good look at the keyboard and hopefully come away from this video with an idea as to whether this would be on your desk. Now, if we take a look at the back of the box here, it's got some details about the actual keyboard. So this is the black, white, green model, and it's got the Maillard switch inside. So not a switch that I'm familiar with, but I'll let you know how it feels during this video. Now, inside the box we do get an instruction manual. This is going to guide us through all of the various features. Nice to see that. We also get a keycap puller just here, because you can of course change the keycaps out. We also get a little bag with some spare keycaps and some spare switches inside. Get a look at that Maillard switch as well. Very, very nice indeed. We get a good quality braided cable, really nice quality. On this end here it's USB, on this end here it's USB-C. And then the keyboard itself, just look at this, it looks absolutely superb. I really do like the colourway on this one as well. We've got the black with the contrast in bright white, and then this nice minty green on the escape key, spacebar and enter key. I really do like that. Very, very nice indeed. And then if we take a look closer, you'll also see on this corner here we've got a rotary dial and a little tiny screen. And this gives us some useful information. This also acts as a button for making selections. It's just a really nicely integrated little screen. It's up at this angle, so when this is on your table or desk, it's sort of facing you. I really do like that. We've got a nice sort of wedge type design to this, good quality materials used as well. If we take a look round on the back here, we have got a little piece here that says "This is life." Cool. We've also got some flip out feet, which you can flip out either at a low angle or a higher angle. Really nice, and also little rubberized feet in all the corners as well. And then if we take a look round at the back, you can see here we have got the RF dongle if you want to connect via RF, or you can of course connect via Bluetooth. So this is a multi-connection keyboard. So if you're going to use the RF, you use the dongle, or we can switch it to USB mode or to Bluetooth mode as well. USB-C in the corner here, and then we've got a Mac and Windows switch to switch between whatever platform you're using. And I'm really impressed with this. Very, very nice tactile keyboard. It's got a nice angle to it as well. Let's take a listen to how it sounds. That's really nice actually. Sorry to interrupt the keyboard test, but sometimes when you're testing space bars on the ends, they sort of fluctuate between how they sound and how they feel. This is really nicely balanced. Love it. This is such a nice actuation to these keys. They're really responsive. They're not too loud, the switches. Sometimes you get really loud mechanical keyboards. This has got some nice dampening to it. It sounds absolutely superb, and it's really nice for both productivity and also gaming use as well. I've been using this for a lot of typing. The transition from my previous keyboard to this was really natural. The keys are nicely spaced. I really do like it. They've done a fantastic job with this. If you want a great keyboard that looks the part, it's got some useful extra features as well, you should definitely check this out. So that is it for my review. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please do hit that like button and also subscribe to the channel. And if you want to pick up one of these for yourself, there are links down underneath the video in the video description. Thank you all for watching again. I'll see you in another video very, very soon.